Hello, welcome to another Monday Musings. Let's launch straight into the musings this week, and I'll be musing on teaching as a career and a vocation. I've been doing it for a long time now, so I think there's probably quite a large number of students that I've taught, but I don't really know the impact I've had on the great majority of those, because you only really get to encounter a few once they've left school in the years that follow. That can be a good thing, perhaps if you weren't the greatest of teachers, and I certainly spent a lot of time reflecting and musing on my beginning years of teaching and things I wish I had been better at or done differently. But at the same time, as I've built up experience over the years, I don't necessarily know how much or how little I've impacted on those students. But from time to time, you do get to meet them and see how their journey's taken them, and that's always very enriching. My shout out today, straight into it, goes to a teacher, and that's Corrine Costa. Corrine was the teacher at the beginning of my daughter's journey in her current school. My daughter's coming to the end of that. And what I've really enjoyed is seeing the quiet confidence my daughter has had, both in her own achievement and motivation and the goals that she set. Corrine, as I said, was there at the start, and Corrine had a very warm and nurturing approach, but also, really seemed to inspire and motivate my daughter to want to come to school and really, be a part of the learning. So shout out to you, Corrine. I think your excellence in teaching, I think your caring and warm nature shines through, and I hope you continue to do that. So my Monday Musings is going to take a little bit of a shift now. We're going to be Monday Amusings. Rest assured, I'm not intending to be a stand-up comedian. But I actually have an interview coming up, so I was actually, reflecting on that. I started amusing myself with some responses that you'd like to have, but don't necessarily do, because, that would just probably turn to a train wreck of an interview. But I'm going to offer a little prize to you if you can guess the reference to the first one of the five I'm about to talk about. It's a book, a TV and radio series, and a movie, and we'll work out a way to have a little coffee or gift voucher prize. So here are 5 possible responses to the question, what led you to apply for this job? And you wouldn't really probably say these. Okay, so number 1, well, it was either this or working with an infinite number of monkeys on a revised script of Hamlet. See if you can guess the reference there. First one to make it in the comments gets the prize. Number 2, well, working kind of sucks, but I'm hoping that this job maybe makes it suck a little bit less. There's a bit of a reference to Adam Grant there. Number 3 is an Australian movie reference again. See if you can get this one. Well, I recently got shafted on the purchase of a pair of jousting sticks, and I need some cash pretty quick.